So guys, this is my received thing. So I'm just gonna open it. I've already opened it, okay? So I'm just gonna reopen it because I just want to show you guys. Actually, I started unboxing in my PC, but it got corrupted because my PC is too low end. So yeah, that's just some personal stuff. Bye. So this box is just a waste of time. Woo! Now it's time for unboxing. These are batteries for it. I bought it. And here's the ultimate clock. Oh my god, I can't even unbox it, man. Just a second. Oh, I'll do a satisfying unboxing, The satisfying things. Bruh. Bruh, that's a funny, man. That's the most unfunniest joke ever. So I've got my clock, and this is the cover of it, and of course, by seeing this, you can get to know that it's a China model. It's a China product made in China. So these batteries were not provided with the case, with this thing. So let me just analyze this. Optically controlled liquid crystal device alarm clock. So here, just some personal stuff, man. Here it's written LCD digital clock. LCD digital clock made in China. Yeah, now you can find. Now this and the same thing at the front of the back. Sure. Now this is the front, and now this is the clock. Woo! It's the clock, man. Now this is the manual guide. Actually, we don't even need a manual guide. And yeah, guys, I removed the screen protector. I'm really sorry. So let's read the manual, guys. Just a second. Let me just open it. Yeah, guys. Now I open it, and you can see it. Like this. You may pause to read. I guess you may pause. Yes. From 2000 to 2099 year. So these are all the things. Key format, our. These are all the things. Amount of time setup. Basic operation. Yes. These are things, man. And I guess this is also in English. Bruh, who wants to read all these things, man? Oh my god, man. This just a waste of time reading this. So it's a backlight function. And back, it's just full in Chinese. I mean, not Chinese, Chinese. So this is the clock. And now let me insert the batteries. So this is the clock. I have analyzed you. This is the where we light and snooze, and this is actually where we on the alarm. I mean, not on. Enable the alarm mode is down. Off the disable the alarm mode is up. That also means on and off. So it's literally like this. It's available in Amazon. I'll send you the link. Sensor is the daylight sensor, sensing according to your surroundings and light, etc. It will also adjust to light, etc. So, and these are the set. I'll already showed you in this. And now I'm going to open the cell. Now I'm going to put the cell, and I'm going to interest you. Yeah. You can all see that my sister is screaming, but she's just, yeah. I'm sorry. So let me just put the batteries on. Let me just do. Bro, my sister screams a lot, bro. I'm really sorry, okay? So let's just do it, okay? Yeah. We're putting like this, and we put like this. And yes, now it ons. Let me show you how it looks. Oh my god. It just fell off. Just put it. And yeah. Bruh, see my sister screaming, bro. Bruh, she screams a lot worse. People can scream better than her. Now it's just here, and here's the clock. And this is when the sensor is on, and when I off the sensor. Oh, I'm sorry. Let the light go. Okay, till that, let me just set the. See, this is how the sensor works. Okay. So I'll send you the link of this below in the The Amazon link below. Bruh. Oh my god, my sister screams a lot, bro. I've set it in this lock, bro. So now I'm going to set this on alarm set. Bruh. She's so personal. Alarm set. So if we set the alarm, we can change the minute of the alarm here, hour of the alarm here, and this is just unuseful, bruh. My sister screams a lot, you know. So I'm just setting it to 6:30 a.m. You know, if you hold it like this, you can fast forward a little bit, so it's just useful sometimes. Yes. So now if I did the alarm mode, and if I did the date set, so if I did the date set and year set, so I can change the month here, I can change the date here, month here, and year here. So let me just change the month here. I will just change the date here by pressing onto today's date. I guess it's 19. I know it will be uploaded on 20 or something, but I'm recording this on 19th August, I think, if I'm not sure. So it's the month thing, the middle one, and oh my god, I'm sorry, 6, 7, 8. This is what, right? And the last one, this is the year setting, and now I'm going to set the year. This shows 2022. I think it's manufactured in that year, and I'm going to set 2023 and 2024. Let's go. Now I set the date set, now the time set. Bro, it's the hardest thing ever. Let me just see my time. Bro, the time is 6:42 in this clock, so I'm just setting it as 6:42. Yeah, for time, again it's the same as alarm. This is the minute, this is the hour, and finally the 12:24 comes in work. This is total 12-hour format, and this is 24 hours format. I would like it in 12-hour format. It's my personal favorite, bro. So the minute I'm setting it to, what's the time now? Bro, what's the time? 6:43. 6:43, yeah? 6:43. So seconds, I needed to 43. There's no second setting here, you know. What's the time? It's 6:43. Bro, let the time go. Just I'm really sorry for the delayment. 6:43. Let it become 6:44. You know what? Yeah. So it's the correct time. And now for the hours thing. For the hour, it's 6 p.m. right now when I'm recording. Oh my god, it's just too bright. It's like just like the light mode. So it's right now 6 p.m. I'm recording this. So yeah. Well, actually the temperature, right? This temperature, it'll measure it automatically. So this is the 6:44 p.m. So that's it. After the time set, it's just lock. And after that, after this is just the alarm off. If you off the alarm here, these two symbols will not appear, but if you on the alarm, the two symbols will appear. See? Okay. And now the sensor, when I off it, see the difference, and when I on it, now wait, is there any difference? Whoa, chillax, what about you? Yeah, now there's a difference. See, this is sensor mode. Okay, it's my personal favorite sensor mode. So let me just do a demo of the alarm for you. The alarm works only for 1 minute. So what's the time right now? I'll actually do a demo for alarm for you. So it's 6:47. I'll do the 6 p.m. actually. Yeah. Now I have to off it. Lock it. That's it, and I have to on it. It's actually on right now. Yeah. So I'll just wait for time being, and let you know when the alarm comes. One more thing, guys, you can change your temperature to either degrees or Fahrenheit like this. So if you put it in lock and press the minute button, when it's in Celsius, and if you press the minute button it becomes to Fahrenheit, and when in Fahrenheit you press the minute button it becomes to Celsius. See, I don't think it's accurate, but it's according to this sensor, bro. It's the best thing, bro. I would like it in Celsius because I like it. Personal favorite, but so for just time being, I'm waiting. The alarm might come soon anytime. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. It works for a minute. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Yes. 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 Let's go. Sui. CR7. Sui. Yay. This is the alarm. And to off it, yeah, this is a continuous mode. Bro, it feels so creepy for me. I would like to off it. So after offing, you get a light to see the time, bro. It's so smart. So guys, that's all for today's video. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe my channel and share this video to all of your friends. So I uploaded this video after a long time. So because I've got interest and I've ordered this new thing, and share the link in description. And guys, stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye. Sayonara.